Hey guys, we're coming off of Valentine's Day weekend, and this is a special edition of Property Touring in Fayetteville, as I've had the luxury of hosting an open house for not one, but two custom new construction homes. So in honor of our Love Hangover theme, I'll be dropping 2 property tours this week, and I would love to know which one you like the best. So be sure to drop your thoughts in the comments. Now, before we jump into it, let's take a moment to appreciate the size of this property as well as the pivot door upon entry. This floor plan is a LeBray floor plan boasting over 6,987 square feet. And as soon as you enter, you're greeted by your dedicated office space in a seamless open concept layout. Now let's talk about the features of this property. 7 bedrooms with the primary on the main, and with that, each bedroom has its own full bathroom, plus there's 2 additional half bathrooms, 2 laundry spaces, 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs, chef's kitchen, built-in appliances, motion detected oven hood, wine fridge, game room entertaining space that leads to a secluded balcony, as well as another office space for shooting content if that's your thing. And check out the large closets in each bedroom. The property sits on 1.66 acres and is priced to sell at $1.7 million. It offers an incredible blend of space, style, and sophistication. And this chef's kitchen is to die for. Check out the custom cabinetry as well as the oversized island. Now let's talk about this outdoor space. With almost 2 acres of land, you'll have plenty of room for entertaining, to add a pool, or to even add an ADU. This home truly has it all with endless potential. So if you are looking to relocate to Georgia, this may be the one for you. Reach out to me. My contact information is in my bio, and I would love to connect. And don't forget, stay tuned for the second luxury tour dropping this week. And go ahead and like, comment, and share with anyone you know who may be in the market.